Hey koalas, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some Don't Press the Button 4. So let's go on into it. The more you know. Wait, how do I get it? Move. Got it. Button. Oh! Oh, okay. Why do we have to be careful? I mean, like, this is really easy as long as you don't fall off at the start, which I did. Okay, so. Winner. Okay, so they won. Oh, I think everyone. Oh my goodness, rip that dude. Rip that dude. Wait, can I become a winner? Nope. Okay. Okay, sister. I hate it when people do that, man. It's so. Come on. And like I still pressed it, didn't I? Holy cow. What? Okay. Whatever. Come on, let me down. Yes. Pressed it. Let's go. Get to the water. Okay. Oh! The water clicked the door. Clicked it. Click the door. Everyone click the door. Wait, is the door somewhere? Or like, I don't know where the door is. Oh, no, Buster. Oh, fighting. Okay, sister. I was not ready for that. Okay then. Wait, what is this thing? A jetpack? Oh my goodness. People. Stop. Ooh, I was about to be no good. And I'm dead. I literally hate everything. I hope we can hype dance on here though. Again, thank you so much, koalas, for letting us hit 280 subscribers. That is literally so epic. And I'm just looking at the game passes and stuff. Grappling hook. Okay. And also, if you haven't seen the trailer for the Project Nuke, make sure to go check that out, people. I'm not clicking it. Oh, I clicked it. Oh, wow. Okay, sister. Okay. It's kind of random where it strikes. Oh! Okay. Or maybe it does target you. Maybe if I just stand right here and spam click the button. Oh! That was good to know. I wanted to just strike all of us. Why me? Oh my. Oh my. I guess I'm safe. I'm gonna say I guess I'm safe. 'Cause I'm not dying. Yet at the same time, I'm not moving. So, this, I guess, counts? I don't know. Okay, we're good. No. This person, come here. Just let me on top. Let me on top, sister. How did it? Okay, apparently. The lightning does not strike here. Okay, it strikes nowhere but here. Oh my goodness, so you just gotta keep moving, apparently? You are indestructible here. Okay, sister, I'm gonna start moving. Strike him. Not me. Yes! Die! Okay, let's continue. I really like the thing how it says like next update at 20,000. Again? No. Oh, no. Please, no, sister. I love how they were like, he was so close and then his dreams were crushed for getting on top of the button. So you just gotta do this. You just keep on moving and stuff. It will. Oh no! The mask is off! Oh no! The mask is off! I have exposed myself, dude. No! And of course, right after that, it literally gets bigger, dude. Literally. Why have you exposed me, game? My inner koala self. So guys, this is me, and this is the real me. If you didn't know, me, fake me. FYI, does this kill you? I think this kills you. This 100% kills you. This 100, yeah. Okay, but koala head back. Yes. Okay, I may or may not have just exposed myself somehow. Score, goal! Score! Go! I just noticed last time, literally nobody scored it. Okay, come here, ball. Come here. I wanna kick you. Kick. What in the world? What are these noobs doing? You gotta push it that way. No, not that way. Okay, then that works. Okay, sister. We are going here, and then here, and then we can hype dance. Oh. I don't know why I'm lagging so bad. How did that do? Okay. In the game, I really have no clue why I am. But I am. It is what it is. It is what it is. We just gotta climb up here, go epic gamer, and just epic game. Where's the tsunami? Oh, holy snap, bro. It was right there, dude. Holy snap. Okay. Push the button. Push it. Okay. Oh! Giant bomb. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it's just a bomb. I mean, like, nothing much. Just a bomb. Come on, come here, sister. Yes. Yay. They pushed it, y'all. Okay. Where are those swinging from? Oh. Good enough. The more you know. I'm just spamming the button, I just noticed. I'm gonna let somebody else push it this time. Okay, I just noticed if you can just... Yeah. Oh! What in the world is that thing? What in the world? Okay! That goes mighty fast, sister. Okay, sister. Okay! Feel my pain with the lag. Holy cow. No! Only people that survived were the ones that cheated. Little cheaters. We're gonna play like one more round, guys, and I'm gonna end the video here, okay? Okay. We also have a little half Tweety bird. Can we push the button for the last round? Come on. Come on. Yes! Last round, we pushed it. Let's go. Okay, let go. Let go, let go, let go. Boy. Let's go. Let's go. We going. We going. Boy. Let's go. Let's go. There will be a new video coming out today. It will not be about the, like a gaming video. Well, it will be about Roblox, but I really don't know how to explain it, really, to be honest. It's about, like, it's a group that I made that I need y'all to join, or I will be depressed. We already have a few people that's all the about, probably, or they just went to my random profile and did that. But guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.